Hi guys, Callum from EAS here. This video will show you how to use coordinates from a wordsinfo variable using a screen scraping wizard. We could use this solution in an instance where we can't find a reliable image or selector, so instead we can use the on-screen coordinates. So we'll go ahead and get our wizard, and in this example we'll use File Explorer and then try to click on one of these items on the left. So here's our result. We can see this Get Words Info checkbox. If we select this and refresh, Studio extracts the screen coordinates of each word. Additionally, the Custom Separators field is displayed, which enables you to specify the characters used as separators. If it's empty, all known text separators are used. That's why we have this result of local disk and the C drive all as a separate item. So if we want to change this, we could use a separator that we know doesn't take effect, such as a semicolon in this case. Okay, we finish up with our screen wizard, and then we get this output. We get two variables, a text and a wordsinfo. Our text is a generic value, and our wordsinfo comes out as UiPath.core.textinfo. Okay, great. So we'll leave that there, and we'll pop over to the main one, where we'll knock this flow together. So the output here I've renamed just so we know what we're dealing with as we go along. Text to text, wordsinfo to wordsinfo. Popped in a for each activity, so for each item in wordsinfo, and we need to change the type argument from the default object to our UiPath core text info. And this will allow us to get the additional information from each item, text, region, and color. So firstly, we're using item.textToString. If that equals pictures, we'll go ahead and click on pictures. Now we want to use our region activity. So in our cursor positions, rather than just selecting an element, we'll use the coordinates. And we can get those like this: item, region, rectangle, and then we have value X and value Y. Let's have a look. Excellent. Did just what we wanted. Thanks for watching. Why not head on over to our dedicated RPA forum where you can pick up further tutorials, tips, or even post your own queries where our experienced consultants will be on hand. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe for more content coming soon.